They're reclining in it. You could just imagine them already. Since the doors are open, the mind goes, what's going to happen inside those doors? Now when you go in somebody's house, what's the first thing you do? Sit down. Muttaqeen, relax. Muttaqiina fiha. Yad'una fiha. Now they'll start asking for stuff. This is not like, this is your own house. So you know when you go to a guest's house, you go to somebody else's house and you're a guest, you don't ask, hey, pani shani zara Pepsi hai aapke paas? Aapke ghar mein ketchup khatam ho gaya? Right? You wouldn't do that to somebody else. I mean, I would do it, I have no shame, but like, you wouldn't normally do that to somebody's house. You go to somebody's house and say, hey, so, do you have like anything better, or this was it? Wouldn't do that. But this is your house, man. You go to your own house, what do? Make a call. I call my kids. Hosta, is there any chocolate in the fridge? Check. Abba, you're right there. I'm going to kill you. Don't make me take an oath, because I have a broom. Okay. You start making you sit down and like, hey, let's eat some Jannah food. I mean, I remember ayat about food, so let's have some food. Fakihatin kathira, let's bring a lot of it. A lot of it starts coming. What about the drink? Wa sharab. And the drinks start flowing. وَعِنْدَهُمْ قَاصِرَاتُ الطَّرْفِ أَطْرَابٍ. And then in their company there are going to be those shy spouses that keep lowering their eyes and sit next to them. Atrab, that is similar, they're compatible. Just because she's beautiful doesn't mean she has a good personality. She could be a monster. You can hate her guts. Just because she's pretty doesn't mean anything. They have to be atrab. They're the same age as you, they're compatible with you, they like what you like, they don't like what you don't like. They're a perfect fit. They're a perfect fit. And that's sometimes not possible in this world. Even among Sahaba, there's no compatibility sometimes. What story do we read about lack of compatibility? Zayd and Zainab, radiallahu ta'ala anhuma. There's no compatibility, that's okay. Jannah, total and absolute compatibility. And it's not artificial compatibility. You know, they make all these movies about relationships and soap operas and comedies and this and that. When they first meet each other, everything is perfect, and things start going sour after a while, right? Well, in Jannah, you're with this lady forever. Forever. Yes. This is what you were promised for the day of resurrection, the day of accounting. Inna hadha la rizquna ma lahu min nafad. This is our provision. It does not have any end to it, any expiration to it whatsoever. Remember the word nafada? قُلْ لَوْ كَانَ الْبَحْرُ مِدَادًا لِكَلِمَاتِ رَبِّي لَا نَفِدَ الْبَحْرُ قَبْلَ أَن تَنْفَدَ كَلِمَاتُ رَبِّي. Tell them if the oceans were turned into ink to write the words of my master, the oceans would run dry. They would run out, they would expire. Nafad, the masdar of it. There is no expiration on this rizq. Hada, enjoy all of this. This is sometimes in Quran Allah does that, hada. That's it. That's the stuff. That should hit the spot. وَإِنَّ لِلطَّاغِينَ لَشَرَّ مَآبٍ. And